All right, show me what you have. Start right here for me. Okay, so two things we need to work on. Your foot. We need to work on your pedaling, because every time you lift the pedal, every sound stops, and we don't want that. We want it to all run together, but without the harmony to run into each other, okay? Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. And another thing is your rhythms. On these ones, that's an eighth note too. So all three of these are eighth notes, which means that this last one, you don't want to give it a quarter note value. So it needs to be not, it should be, okay, it goes right into that. So we've got and 3 and 1, 2, 3, okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, okay, and that's the same for here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, okay? Okay. So with your pedaling, I want you to play for me a C chord with your left hand, or both. Yep. Now push the pedal down. Now let go of your fingers, but not your foot. Okay. Now put your hands in position for an A chord. Don't press anything. Now, while pushing your hands down, lift your foot very slightly. Now push it back down. Now lift your hands. Do you feel it's going to go? Your foot's going to lift. When your hands are down, your foot will be up. And when you lift your hands, your foot will be down. So it's kind of like this, like opposite thing, okay? So why don't you try for me C, A, C, just your left hand with the pedal. So we've got C, 2, 3. Okay, I heard it right. 2, 3. Put your fingers. 2. There you go. You lift it after you play. Does that make sense? Yeah, so you're gonna play, and then you're going to play and let go, so that your fingers are holding down the notes so that they still go. Do you see that? Okay, so try it for me. And then play your A. Play your A. Lift. There you go. Okay, try it starting here for me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, oh man. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You don't lift, now lift. 3. Oh, you don't want the sound to end. So here's what you need to do. You need to go 1, 2, 3. Put your hands in position and simultaneously at the same time, okay? So my hands go down a little bit before my foot comes up, okay? And so it's going to cancel out, so
it's going to cancel out the last.
So there's the A, and I'm going to play the B and then lift, so that the other chords fade away, but the ones my fingers are still on will stay. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, try
So
it
that
for me
way
one more
it's
time.
easier to not.
Right here. We've got C, 2, 3, 2, 3. Now, there you go. All that's happening is you're moving up by one note. So you're going 2, 3, 1, 2, play and then lift, and then A, play and then lift. There you go, just like that. Keep going. C, play it and then lift. Now lift and play. Now A minor and then lift. So you want to keep your hands on the keys. Don't just play it and let go, because these are, look, these are, what note values are these? 3 beats, right? That means your hand stays on the keys for 3 beats. Just because we have the pedal down doesn't mean you let go. Okay? And that's going to help you, because it's going to mean 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because if you just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it doesn't sound as good. Okay? So start here again. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, When you play that last chord, you need to let your foot off because this does not sound good. See how it all runs together? You want it to be. You still see that little mark? That means you have to lift your foot up again.
Okay. So play the entire song with both hands.
Start, yeah. Do it one more time, okay? And pay attention to dynamics and your pedaling, because those are the two major things. So we never want our sound to stop. We want it to always continue, okay? Start over. Don't rush. Look at me. Count in your head. 1, 2, 3. Look what it says at the beginning. It says gracefully. What do you think of when you think gracefully?
Like,
I think of a ballerina, right? She's like tiptoeing across the stage. Gracefully. Which means that we don't need to rush. We need to be very methodical and slow and beautiful. And make sure we have our phrasings. There's one phrase. And then we slow down and get to the piano. Okay? Feel the music. Don't just